Hi, this is Mitch Luman with this science short. Today we're going to construct an anamorphic image. And an anamorphic image is a two-dimensional drawing that, when viewed under certain conditions, takes on the appearance of a three-dimensional object. In order to create this anamorphic image, you're going to need a writing utensil, you're going to need a straight edge, and I like to use a 1 centimeter ruled paper. Now we have a two-dimensional representation of what will be in just a moment a three-dimensional cube, but it isn't an anamorphic image yet. Take your straight edge and align it between these points. Carefully fold your paper over and create a crease right along that position. Now, if you're going to view your anamorphic image yourself, you're going to want to fold it like this and look at it face on. But for the camera, we're going to rotate the image 360 degrees and tilt it up so that you, our viewers, can get a look. And there you have it, a three-dimensional representation of a two-dimensional cube, an anamorphic image. This has been a science short from the Evansville Museum.